I think it's on, Uncle Alan. Hi, boys and girls. This is old Uncle Alan, aka Diebulfrog79. And that was Uni. And Dino's behind the couch again, so I gotta dig him out. Thank you, grandnephews. Okay, now, everybody check out Getting Tired and Old, Will Patriot's channel, and Modern Refugee channel. They did really good videos today, and all these people do it. Uncle Alan's a little bit tired today because we're having a little bit of fun. Never have too much. How in the heck can you get lost in Costco? Okay, and please make sure you check out these people. Okay, they're good on gear and clothing, but please send them cash, and they do need about 500 supporters to help them out. And I know Cheryl needs a car. Okay, I got your back. These two, I'm covering their backs. I would like to help more people, but Uncle Alan's broke right now. Uncle Alan's got a few things in the fire that I can't discuss. Originally, I was going to talk about the 3 SHTF challenge delivered by Will Patriot and asymmetrical. I don't have his card. Asymmetrical preparedness. Let's see if I do have it. Now, let's see. Oh, there it is. Asymmetrical preparedness, right there. And they were talking about what 3 things get Uncle Alan's normally prepared. Well, Uncle Alan's prepared for all kinds of natural disasters. That's from EMP, solar flare, you name it. Any kind of earthly commonplace disasters, tornadoes, earthquakes, floods, hurricane, you name it. And also I lived through Stockton, so top that one off, kids. Something wax. Now, I've been doing this for a year and a half, and a lot of you people don't got my hidden messages. And a lot of people think alien invasions, flying saucers, clowns falling from the skies, some bullshit like that, or I can't say bullshit, sorry. Because YouTube censors that, I'll probably get demonetized or punished or taken off the air. Well, that's what male cows do. Okay, as long as I don't put it in title, maybe I'll skip it. Okay, that's all baloney. Okay, they're not going to come from outer space or stuff like that. Most of them are already here. They're observing and stuff. I know 3 alien races. They're worried about this one, but they're not considered aliens. They look like us. They sound like us. They could be one of us. And a lot of people don't get it. So I tell people, watch the 3rd wave. I'm not 3rd. Is it 5th wave? 5th Wave. It's a good science fiction movie. Came out in 2012. And then also They Live, which was on Sci-Fi Channel not too recently with Roddy Piper. Okay? But a lot of people forget about that because it comes too close to the truth. Okay, that's my wacko statement. And remember, folks, December 27th. Uncle Alan's old and tired, and I don't look like Scrooge McDuck. Okay, Uncle Alan's tired. Uncle Alan's got a lot of things I gotta do. Okay, what I most fear of is civil war and pandemic next. Okay, we're due for both. Okay, because a lot of country, Mexico, most of Europe already has a couple civil wars. Everybody else in the world has civil wars. We haven't. So we're due for one. And also a really big pandemic. So if we do have a civil war, it's going to be a free-for-all like the French Revolution. See, nobody reads history. And nobody reads history what after the madness stops, what happens. Now, during the First World War, A lot of people didn't read about the First World War. That's why I tell people read from 1870 to 1915 and from 1919 to 1926. But everybody gives me this stupid look. I know how Hubble's cat feels when he's grading papers. Lord, we're in the same boat when I'm trying to teach people on these channels. Now, why Civil War and pandemic? Okay, you think about it. Amidst the chaos and weakened immunity systems from the war, you're going to have a pandemic you would not believe. Now, you have more players and that war will be infected. Nobody on earth will escape. Okay, so think about it very carefully. Also, another thing is a lot of you puppets out there, I don't care which side, you still don't understand what's going on, and you'll never will. You have to think of all the angles. This is why I'm doing the money series. This is why I'm continuing doing the prepping and survival stuff. It's not all gadgets and certain skills. You have to be alert and aware. This is why I keep yelling at people December 27th, 2019. If I have to put you in a headlock, take a pair of brass knuckles and pound it into your head, I will. Okay? December 27th is about less than a month away. And a lot of you people have no idea what's going on. You're not even set. You're not skilled. You're not in shape. You know what's really sad in any of these disasters? The fat old prepper, or the fat prepper, or the fat survivalist, or the fat sheeple dies with their mouth open. This is why Uncle Alan's still got 46 pounds to lose. And I don't want to look like Hubble's cat, like, okay? So anyway, I'm going to keep this short. So please check out these channels. Okay. And go check out her channel. Hope she recovers. Probably another card. I guess not. Put stuff all over the place. Uncle Alan's kind of ditzy. Uncle Alan's kind of old, but please check out these channels. And we have this cat that drives everybody nuts. Kind of like, I do make plans and I'm very careful. And I think tomorrow, let's see. I'll be talking to you guys a lot. We have just-in-time prepping. Okay, that's tomorrow morning. Hopefully I'm up for it. I have lots of doctor's appointments in October. And I just finished one, and I got another one I got to do tomorrow afternoon. Okay, and let's help out Happy Prepper with 150 more supporters. Yeah, I hope Becky tells her friends to watch this channel, because more friends you get into what we're doing, better you're off. And then we have Coursera trainers. Go check out his channel for tactics. Very good. Okay. Well, I'll catch you later, kids. Bye. Hi, Uncle Al. You still got to dig out the email from behind the couch. Yeah, that's fun with kids. Catch you later, folks.